everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Manisha. I make skincare related content, especially Korean skincare. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Azelaic Acid Serum from Anua, which is a very recent drop from Anua. And I'll be covering everything from ingredient, texture, how they perform, and who needs to buy this serum. So in case you are interested, continue watching. So before diving deep into this Azelaic Acid Serum, let's talk a little bit about the science behind the Azelaic Acid Serum. So azelaic acid has a lot of skincare benefits, which includes brightening the skin, reducing the redness, fights acne, and improves skin texture. So when we talk about azelaic acid, it is the best ingredient for people who have acne prone skin. Like, it's amazing in keeping the acne at a bay and great for people who have sensitive skin or problems like rosacea. And it even works best for people who have sensitive skin. Now let's talk about the Anua's version of this azelaic acid and does it delivers. So I'm gonna start off with the packaging, which is a very basic matte glass bottle. It comes in a green color, and something that I want you to mention here is that this is not an added color. This is the natural color that the product got because of the presence of green tea extract and 7 type of Cica complex, which we're gonna talk later in this video. Packaging is a very basic minimal glass bottle with a green color. Now the best part about this serum is that it is like a supremely lightweight texture, exactly like the people with oily skin like, and it treats skin concern like acne and rosacea because the formula is rich in calming ingredients like azelaic acid, panthenol, aloe juice, and centella extract. Now, niacinamide present in this mix help fades away hyperpigmentation, and we all know niacinamide has amazing benefits for the skin. It also helps brighten your skin and treat hyperpigmentation. And lastly, it delivers long-lasting hydration because of the presence of hyaluronic acid in it. Now, talking about azelaic acid, which is the main ingredient, it contains 10% of azelaic acid, which means it is very concentrated, and it works as an anti-inflammatory, soothes irritation, especially caused by dry skin. Like, if you know dry skin, the main cause of irritation on dry skin is the dryness, so it helps dealing with that. And this product also features Anua calming complex that helps soothe your skin with ingredients like blue tencel oil and green tea leaf water. And this product has been clinically tested to improve your skin suffering from redness and irritation. Now, talking about the texture of the product, this is a very lightweight texture, so there is no pore clogging drama, no oiliness or stickiness or residue left behind after using a serum. No problem like that. It gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. And to see how well it works, make sure to pair it up with nice hydrating products. Now, how long it takes to show changes in your skin? I know that is the concern of most of you. So it takes less than 2 weeks to show the results in terms of brightness and reducing redness. It also helps curing your pimple. During that time you will see. But what it doesn't delivers in these 2 weeks is reducing the scars and excessive hyperpigmentation, because scars obviously take a lot more time. And if you are not wearing sunscreen, then what are you even doing? Just forget about this as well. Why you want to waste your money in this product? अगर आप सनस्क्रीन पे पैसे बचा रहे हो तो इस पे भी अपने पैसे बचा लो और अपनी स्किन को उसके हाल पर छोड़ दो. That is the best advice I can give you. Talking about the key benefits of using this product, number one thing that it does, it helps in reducing the redness. Now pay attention, because this is where you will know that if you need this serum or not. So if you have redness, this is for you. Number two, this also helps reducing your acne marks. Now it is gonna help dealing with your acne, but it is not something that is gonna remove your marks completely. It is gonna help fading them away. It's not gonna go completely, because this is not a niacinamide concentrated serum. You need highly concentrated niacinamide serum to deal with hyperpigmentation or stubborn acne marks. But if you have problem like texture, which basically means bumps in this area, and when you touch this area, like mine is completely soft and smooth to touch, but if you have bumps in this area or you have bigger pore issues, that is called textured skin. So it helps dealing with that skin concern as well. I hope you understood the assignments. But if you don't apply sunscreen, let me repeat, it's not gonna do anything. Your scars gonna go worse. Nothing's gonna improve. Your skin is also going to be worse. Clearly the choice is yours. Talking about the pros and cons, the first number one pro is this is an absolute lightweight, non-greasy formula, which is the biggest pro, because a lot of Western skincare companies don't provide that benefit. Their products are mostly greasy, difficult to blend, but that is not the case with this serum. Two, it is an absolute safe choice for sensitive skin. It doesn't cause any irritation, any purging, nor redness or irritation on your skin. So it's an amazing choice and very a calming serum for your skin. Number 3, it provides visible effects in terms of brightening your skin. Like, it definitely provides a subtle glow on your skin, which is all we want. Last pro is that it layers well with all the other skincare products that you use. And the only con that I see in this product is that it might not be strong enough for excessive hyperpigmentation or stubborn dark spots. It's not gonna fade them away completely. Like, that is the only con I see in this product. So who needs to buy this? People with redness, mild acne, or dull skin. This is an amazing serum to go for. It is gentle but effective, and the ingredients are great. However, if you need something stronger for hyperpigmentation or stubborn dark spot, you might need to go for the concentrated niacinamide or vitamin C serum. Well, that's all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope this review is a little helpful for you. And let me know if you want to see more reviews on the newly launched products of Anua. Like, they've also launched a blue serum that I'm very interested in. I just don't remember the name on top of my head right now. But yeah, if you want to see the reviews of the recent drops of Anua or any other skincare line, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to make a review video for that. Till then, bye bye.